Look at that. New Jersey on a snowstorm.
It's better like straight.
Yeah, 4 to 6 inches. Sean. Yay! Yay! You liking snow? Yeah, mommy.
Nice with the trees up here with the icicles.
No. Once per year we get a snow. Twice a year.
Twice in 1 week this time.
No, we always get it in
Look
January or
at this brave
February.
guy without any jacket on.
He's just grabbing a mail.
Look at the mail. He's looking up there.
Oh, he's over the phone. That's so funny. And he got no head on
He
the.
must have very,
And he
very
got
important-
shaved head.
It must be his girlfriend who's calling and his wife is in the house.
Yeah, so he had to get out in the rush without putting anything on his head. And he got shaved head. He got no hair. So funny.
So anyone who's bald, does it really hurt when there's... Is it cold?
I don't know if it hurts or not, but I think that it makes you think. I don't know. Because it makes you feel cold.
Look at the
It
ice.
goes
Ooh, look at
directly on the
this
skin.
car in the front. Kind of swerved it a little bit.
It's fun. It's fun to get out in a storm. It's not exactly a storm, but they call it a snowstorm.
Sean went...
Sean, you wanna add a volume? The spice in there.
It's okay, we're going home, Sean.
Oh.
Ooh, look at this, guys. Look at this. Icicles. Look at those trees. Left side tree. Whoa. No more leaves. Just ice.
Sean, you're not doing sledding today. We're gonna take you tomorrow, okay?
You did a little bit today, Sean. A little hill.
We already
so-
did that. Now for tomorrow. I have to add a music on this video probably. Otherwise Sean singing.
Yeah. But you know what is like? This is the only time that we have ever driven the speed limit on the street.
Normally people don't go by that. It's a 50 here, I saw.
And there's a lake to the right here, so now you can take you can look at it. Zoom in.
Yeah, I like the front video. Actually, it's coming out pretty good. Rather than on the side, I like it front. I'll see when the lake comes
See,
up.
people are sledding on the right side.
They are. Oh, they still. Watch out! They have a car parked over there. There were so many cars before. You remember that small place?
That's up in the front, not this one.
Yeah, this one. Yeah.
So peaceful when it snows. It's so dangerous. Like I was doing that, someone get hit on that.
It's white. Hey, Sean. Mommy.
As white as English people goes. Look at that guy, man. Working. And he shoveled that driveway was so big.
Good luck with that.
Talk about a workout. But I'm not gonna shovel today. Do it tomorrow. Like we're almost
He may
at
be
home,
hungry. Sean, you ate 12:30. We got food, okay?
Look at that tree, so nice.
It's going to be 3 to 6 inch. I think it's almost 4 inch already, right?
I think it's like 4 inches right now.
Already, and by
It's supposed to
tonight
do-
it's gonna be 6. Probably
Yeah.
it's gonna hit that.
Exactly. Oh, look at this car. Ooh, swerved a little bit. Actually, this car is so nice. I don't even feel like I'm driving this slow.
Because it has so many different modes, like
Yeah.
sweet escape, slippery, conserve, normal.
Yeah, slippery is good.
The tire moves accordingly. That's cool. Why are you changing now?
Because one was harsh conditions. Maybe slippery is like wet, you know. It's fine. I'm almost home.
You want me to change it to what mode?
Just wanted to
Watch out, it's straight, honey. Here it's very narrow in the car.
deep conditions. Deep snow and mud is this. That's what it says.
Oh, deep is normal.
That's
This is
good.
not a deep snow though.
It's still snowing.
No,
So a lot of people are looking. A lot of people.
Yeah,
Are,
that's what I was talking about. So many cars are parked here because they are busy doing sledding. Sean, do you want me to drop off you here? We can
Yes,
come and pick
Mommy.
you up. Okay, eyes on the road,
I
Daddy.
don't need you.
Eyes on the road.
I don't need you.
Definitely not need us.
This is pretty pathetic hills.
I know it's such a small one, but
Not
still,
that bad.
the
It's
kids
not- you know
want
what?
something.
You know what? If there's nothing around,
Yeah,
They do
they have
desperate.
to get their kids out, so
exactly.
to get them.
Don't look at left side with the evergreen trees. Look at that. We're almost home, Sean. Don't worry about it, okay? Look at this guy with a four-wheeler.
Total throwbacks to the 2000s. I love it.
Whether you were crying in the club,
I have to stop. Now I gotta turn right. Whoa.
Pop rock from the 90s and 2000s.